for tuning in again to MiMaSheeTV. I'm going to show you how to do the bentonite clay with henna. So you're going to need your bowl, bentonite clay, henna, spatula, apple cider vinegar, water, and whatever that is. So we're going to add our bentonite clay. We're going to add that on. Apple cider vinegar, shake that really good. And you guys, I am so heavy-handed with these products, man. Like the whole house smell like vinegar because I put way too much. So we're gonna mix like so. Now for our henna. Yes, henna. I add henna to my bentonite clay. That way I have henna sitting in my house, so I'm not using it. So when I do my bentonite clay, I just add henna because it's really beneficial to your hair. Now I'm gonna add some water, and then don't forget to mix. Very important. Mix. So I would stop right there if my hair was short, but because my hair gained a little bit of length to it, I'm gonna add more henna and more bentonite clay. That way I will have enough product to coat my whole hair. My pet peeve is when I'm adding product to my hair, like bentonite clay and henna, and halfway through I'm missing products. I'm like, and then I have to make new batch. I hate that. So I'm making just enough for my whole hair. You could add, or you can add bentonite clay, you could add henna depending what you like. And now just mix because you need this product to be as smooth as possible. You don't want no lumps, no clump, no nothing. So this is how my hair looking like crazy. Horsey always. So I'm gonna like beat the tingle. So we're working with 4 section. Don't forget your clips, spray bottle, and your henna. So this is the type of consistency that I was trying to get. Smooth, but not too thick, but not too runny either. Let's get started. So I'm gonna spray my hair and apply the products. That's basically what I'm doing. And like I usually like think of it like adding perm. I don't know why, because perm is kind of thick. So every time I put this product in my hair, I keep thinking about perm. Not because like I want perm or anything, but I just keep thinking about perm.
degrees with a fucking glow.
Also, you're gonna make sure that you're coating your whole hair strand, everything, like saturate all the strand. That way, like if you have curls, it will clump better, but I don't have no curls, so I don't know what it's doing. So yeah. Okay, this is what I mean, like perm. You want to make sure you're getting everything. Like you're getting your edges, you're getting everything. That's why every time I do this, I always feel like I'm adding perm to my hair. Now for the back. So I'm gonna turn around to show you what I'm doing. Basically, I'm taking small section, I'm gonna spray that piece and add the product. Like, that's basically what I was doing the whole time. So just take a section, spray it light with water, and then coat your hair with the product. Finally, I am done, so I'm gonna do two sections. Usually I have two side sections, but I don't know what happened, so I have a front section and a back section, and I'm making sure everything is fully coated, the back, the front, my edges, my forehead, everything. So I'm gonna clip up my hair back up and wait about an hour until I wash it off. So we're back. I'm gonna use these products to wash and deep condition my hair. Freshly out the shower, I'm just lightly drying my hair. Look at this, 4C at its finest.